Hey guys, today me and Wyatt are going to do an unboxing of monster trucks.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Wyatt, you do first.
Okay. I will not show you, but I will just...
You cannot see the back. Oh, yeah.
And it is a silver grave digger. This is a special one at Walmart, and it was and then when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It is amazing.
I knew I had it. That's why you said it.
So that's what I got. Now I will give the camera to me, and he will.
Did it get recorded? No, have.
So
It's one of those doubles.
It's one of the double ones. We will give you that. He got. I bought these, by the way.
Got one for me.
He got a Hot Wheels, his favorite.
It smells so good for some reason.
And he got a Team Hot Wheels. We already have a Team Hot Wheels, but I said, heck with it, we can have two.
I don't know why.
Well, this is the end of his video. Or are we going to do a tour of the... We're on holiday. We're on holiday right now.
I can't right now because it's Thursday. Our parents and grandparents in our...
No, we can't. This is the room that my aunt and both of us will be sleeping in. One night, we will be sleeping...
It says the world's coolest car company.
One of us will sleep on this bed, and we'll be sleeping with our parents. So, let's go. Can't forget the closet. This is our Paul and Gran's room. This is a good one. Kitchen. Restroom.
Restroom outside. What down for beyond? Can I see it? Oh,
I don't want to give it away where we're at. Living room, and there's a outdoor. Let's go outdoor. Let's go outdoor. This is my mom and dad's room, and
I turned on the light. You have to push that thing real hard. Oh, what? Can I see it?
Blankets. All right, Dion's going back to recording. Can't see the ocean, but it's very good. We might be going out there to walk on it.
Yeah, but we're not going to record that. Well, we might.
Well,
Chances are pretty slim.
Alright, you can end the video now.
Okay. See you guys in the next video. Bye.